Buying a home for many is part of the American dream, but many buyers are unsure of the actual expectations in their market and how to save. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph, and I specialize in helping mainline home buyers find their perfect home. And this is not the easiest market, and it is really important for buyers to know what type of homes are available and how their expectations can align with the reality of the market. So here's a comprehensive look of what potential buyers can expect for down payments in 2024. For those unfamiliar, we should restate one of the most important things to know about this market, and it's that the Main Line is one of the most desirable communities in the Philadelphia area, known for its luxurious homes, excellent schools, and picturesque neighborhoods. The real estate market here is competitive, to say the least, and demand is high for all real estate, from historic estates to modern townhouses. So down payments, expectations. They're very based on the type of property, location, and the buyer's financial situation. But here are the general trends that 2024 buyers should be aware of. First, the common expectation for conventional loans is a down payment of 20%. And this is often the benchmark because it allows buyers to avoid private mortgage insurance called PMI, which can add to that monthly cost. In the mainline area, where home prices are typically higher than the national average, this can mean a substantial upfront investment. For example, the median home prices hovering around the $800,000. A 20% down payment would be $160,000. Second, Federal Housing Administration, or FHA loans, offer a lower down payment option, typically around that 3.5%. And while this is more accessible, it does come with the added cost of mortgage insurance premiums. And Veterans Affairs, a VA loan, are another excellent option for eligible veterans and active duty military members, allowing zero down payment. But jumbo loans are common on the Main Line, and this gives a high property value, which is for loan amounts that exceed the conforming loan limits set by the Federal Housing Finance Agency, the FHFA. And down payments for jumbo loans are typically higher, often ranging in that 20% to sometimes even 30%, depending on the lender and the borrower's financial profile. Next, let's go over the factors that also influence the down payment: your credit score, your debt-to-income ratio, saving and financial stability, and market conditions impact your down payment as well. A higher credit score can provide more loan options and potentially lower your down payment requirements. Lenders also look at the debt-to-income ratio to assess a buyer's ability to manage monthly payments. And buyers with significant savings or additional assets may choose to put down a larger down payment to reduce monthly mortgage payments and interest over the life of the loan. And lastly, local real estate market conditions can also play a role. In a high-demand market like the Main Line, sellers may prefer buyers who can make a larger down payment. Buying a mainline home requires careful planning and financial preparation, understanding the current down payment expectations, and exploring all available options can make the process smoother and more manageable. With the right approach, you can secure your dream home in one of Pennsylvania's most desirable locations. The first step should be to contact a local realtor who understands the market and how conditions affect other buyers. And this is my advantage. I am an expert on the mainline market conditions. I help buyers strategize, and I connect with them with the right lenders to make that home buying dream a reality. So go ahead and contact me today. Kimmy Rolph sells the Main Line and local areas.